Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the, not necessarily new, but improved and back, Milani Conceal and Perfect, I think is what it says. Conceal, where does it say it? I don't know what it says. Yes, it is new right now because they just brought it back, but it's the Conceal and Perfect Cream to Powder Foundation. And my color is 208 Buff. And I have tried this. See, I didn't mean to. I was going to do it for you guys, but then I wanted to check the color. And when I put it on, it was like, ooh, ooh. So I actually wore it one day. I just put it on with my fingers. I didn't even realize it comes with a sponge. But anyways, I tried it with my fingers. I had no primer, no anything. And I did like it a lot. That's why I'm doing it now. Because I actually have another foundation over here that I was going to do a Makeup Monday video on this week, but this one's so exciting I wanted to try it with primer and everything because, like I said, I wasn't really going to put it on that day. So let's get started. I am going to put this on with a sponge, but first let's put some primer on today because this is a semi-matte, soft matte. It's a soft matte finish, and it is medium to full coverage, and I agree it is. So let's put on some. I did notice when I put it on with my finger, I don't know how to get this, oh, it unscrews, that it's kind of thick, so it was like showing pores and stuff. So I'm going to put some of my Tatcha, what is this called? Silk Canvas in my T-zone over my pores and wrinkles. For my primer, just to hopefully help it not show up my pores and wrinkles so much. I didn't really notice it as much on the wrinkles as when I was putting it right here. I was like, woo, need a pore filling primer there. So that's what we're doing today, pore filling primer. And I'm just putting this right in the middle, and then I'm going to put another primer. I'm going to use the BECCA Soft Light Primer, something like that. BECCA Instant Refresh. Oh, First Light Primer. Filter. Priming filter. Whatever. It's the one in the purple. Because I want to see if I can get any kind of glow to come through. I just put these lashes on, which you guys will have already seen when I do this, when this video goes up. And I'm just going to put the other primer pretty much everywhere else. And maybe even a little bit on top of this to get some glow going on. I don't know though, this foundation was nice and thick. Lots of coverage, so I don't know if it'll be able to fight its way through, but it's worth a shot, right? Okay, so this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Cream to Powder Foundation. And I'm going to use my regular sponge. And it says to rub it around in there. I don't know why. I'm never going to get this clean now. Anyways. Yeah. It's so thick. It covers so nicely, but You definitely have to work it into those pores and wrinkles. But it goes in. And oh my goodness, the coverage is amazing. Yeah, I don't think that primer's going to be able to fight its way through. Look at that coverage. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. And it says on the website, oh, it comes in 22 shades. There went my sponge. Comes in 22 shades. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm loving it. Ooh. Sinking into my wrinkles now. So I will be powdering it, even though it says cream to powder. These big wrinkles down here, they didn't mean those. Because I didn't notice that it went to powder. You know how it says cream to powder. I felt like it stayed a little tacky. Because I did not powder it the other day when I put it on with my fingers. I feel like at the end of the day, it looked the same, but I wasn't really doing a wear test on it. I had just wanted to put it on. So we're going to do a wear test today on it and see. Plus I'm going to powder it today. But the coverage, look at the coverage. It's amazing. And actually the other day I used it as my concealer too. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go with my regular concealer. I'm going to use my Born This Way because that's what I've been using. Yeah, I'm going to have to push it out of these lines. And that's too bad because that was one of the things I was thinking, oh my gosh, this would be amazing to just take with you. You know, if it goes cream to powder. Because it's so full coverage. You know, like when you're on vacation or something, or just whatever, where you have to put it on your whole makeup. It would be so nice to have this, just full coverage, powder, everything, concealer, all in one. Wouldn't that be awesome? It's not happening here, but it would be awesome. I have to be more careful with my concealer, with everything, because I don't want to get them on the lashes. I don't really think I need much extra. Other than my normal highlight stuff. All right. I mean, I definitely need to get rid of this purple around my eyes. Well, it seems to be playing well with the concealer. Let's see how the powder does. That's when you really find out what you're dealing with. Okay, let's go in with our powder. We're going to use our It Cosmetics powder. First, we're going to make sure everything is out of the wrinkles. Then we're going to go in. So far, so good. In there. Okay, it looks good. It's out of the wrinkles. I'm not thinking that the BECCA primer is going to be able to pull some shine through, but you know, we'll spray it too, and that'll help. Let's go ahead and go in with our, this is kind of a Milani one, even though this is not sponsored, but I am using Milani, a lot of Milani products. So we're going to go in with our bronzer. And just get some more dimension going on here. Oops. Get rid of those jowls. Now we're going to go in with our Milani blush. This is the Berry Amore. That's what this is. Berry Amore. And it is out of the Baked collection. Oof, I got a lot. That's okay, I can fix it. Tone that down a little, blend it up, make it perfect. No big deal. I actually will just go over it with a little bit more bronzer. Okay, now let's put some highlight. I'm going to use my cookie highlight. You guys know I'm going to use my cookie highlight. I always use my cookie highlight. I love this highlight. So let's just put that on there. And then go over this again. Tone it down a little bit. And call it good. Now we're going to spray it with our Morphe spray. And then I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup. And I'll come back and then we'll do a wear test at the end of the day. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is our look for the day. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous, especially since we're not going anywhere. So this is our kind of our glam look, because whenever I do a dark eyeshadow, I feel like it's glam. So, what do you guys think? Anyways, so far, okay, so guys, what I think so far is it's sinking into lines right there. Even though I powdered it, it's not bad, not like it was before I powdered it, but I mean, it's only been, what, half an hour? I don't know. If it's sinking into lines already, it's going to probably be pretty bad by the end of the day. But we'll find out, won't we? That's too bad. I really liked it. It was nice and full coverage. I think it looks good right now, other than the where it's starting to sink in. If it doesn't get any worse than this, though, because it's not on this side, it's just this one really bad wrinkle right here. Yeah, it's not really sinking in up here yet. Kind of gathering around my nose. I think it was just hard to get in there, though. So, anyways, I will be back at the end of the day to let you know if it got any worse or if this is it. If this is it, I can live with this. It's not what I thought it was going to be. I didn't want to have to powder it and all that because I thought that was what was so great about it. But we'll see at the end of the day. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the end of the day and we're here to do our check-in and see how our Milani Conceal Perfect Cream to Powder Foundation has held up. I was looking at it. As you can see, it's like I've got some redness right here. And I'm not really that thrilled about it. It seems like it's kind of... It's definitely gathering in my wrinkles, all of them, and accentuating them. It's not huge, it's not terrible, but I just know there's too many out there that are better, and I don't want anything that gathers in them because it draws attention to them. So this one's going to get a thumbs down for me, and I was so hopeful because I really liked the way it went on, the coverage of it and everything, and the glow even came kind of through. Well, I don't know, that might be just the highlight. But it seems like some of that glow from that luminous primer, that BECCA primer, came through. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's just, you know, there's better. My Kick-Ass is better than this. And so is this Estee Lauder one. Of course, the Estee Lauder one is a lot more expensive, but the Soap and Glory one, I don't think it was more expensive. I forgot to check the price for you guys. But since it's getting a thumbs down, you probably don't need to know the price, right? Anyways, that's my thoughts. I've decided it's not as good as I thought it was going to be. Because, see, even the red spots have kind of come through. And to have the red spots come through and it sink into lines, that's just not good. I like them that are at least as good as however they look when I put them on. So this one's going to get a thumbs down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, hopefully. I understand that YouTube might be having a few problems. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!